I want to rant. See, newbie traders, see, prop firms are not for you. I know that the business perspective of prop firm is to entice you newbies into buying an account from them and trading it just to blow the account, and then they have your money to themselves. That is the business perspective of prop firms. Imagine a scenario where only the profitable traders patronize prop firm. I promise you, these guys will run out of business. Prop firms are for the OGs. They are for the agbalagbas, the ogbudubudu of them all. Not for you that you're just starting out. Small 60k wey you get for account, your last card, you don go use am buy prop firm. You dey talk say I left home to feed home, doing this for my mama. Dat money will just waste. Before you buy prop firm, know what you are doing. I learned the hard way because you just learned one strategy that is blowing your mind on demo accounts. You want to go and try it out. You did not even say you should fund, $100 or $10, $50 and try it out on a live account. You don't carry the money go buy prop firm. Prop firm wey be say the rules alone e choke. The rules, the do's and don'ts e choke. You don't go buy am. You can't even be flexible enough with the account. You don't go buy prop firm. And now you don dey massive drawdown. Prop firm are for OG, not for starters, not for newbies. Till you get profitable, even while you're trading a live account of no matter the amount, you understand, then you can buy a prop firm and see what goes. That is where mama will be happy. That is where you feed home. You leave home to feed home. Thank you, chatting goddess.